So now let us look at the efficiency in working capital management. सबसे पहले मैं आपको बता दूं कि पूरी दुनिया में पूरी दुनिया में जब भी कोई कंपनी बंद होती है, in 90% of the cases the reason is poor management of working capital. And in the entire world, whenever a company is doing well financially and operationally, in 90% of the cases, the reason is company has got fantastic working capital management. I am sure you all will know. Dell does not maintain any inventory. Are you with me? All these malls that you see, those malls, they maintain the inventory. But you know what do? They don't pay to the supplier immediately, or in a week's time, or in a month's time, or in 2 months' time, or 3 months' time. In some cases, they might even be paying more than 6 months' time. Now, please pay attention. How does it work? As a mall, I am getting inventory from the vendors. Material has come to me. Customer is buying, and I am selling it in cash. And I am paying to the customer, to the vendor after
3 months.
3 months. That means what? That means whatever sale that I have done, that cash is with me. Do you understand what I am trying to tell you? And since that cash is with me, I am able to use this cash for my own activities. That means I am not paying any interest to any bank because I am not carrying any. I am carrying in an inventory, but that inventory is all on credit. I am selling to my customer on cash because unless the customer pays, no mall will sell you on credit. They will use your credit card.
Correct.
We have to understand the working capital management. So, for us to understand working capital management, first we need to understand few terms. And the term is, number one, we need to understand what is GWC. Then we need to understand what is WCG. And then we need to understand what is NWC. I am sure the last one all of you will know definitely. And there is a full possibility that all of you will also know the first two. So please tell me what is GWC. Fantastic, right? So GWC is gross working capital. What is the WCG?
Working capital growth.
Working capital gap. Okay, so and what is NWC? Net working capital. Now, let us understand them practically. Not only understand them practically, but also understand how to understand management of working capital of a company, and then what to do for improving the working capital of management of that company. So let's look at this way. Now you have a company, and you have, let's say, 5 plants spread all over. Now in all these 5 plants, obviously you need to have certain inventory, yes or no?
Yes.
We are not in a position to have just in time for all the items that we use in producing our product. So as a company, you will carry inventory, and let's say that amount is 1,000. Right? So in order to run my operations smoothly without any interruption, I need to carry inventory which is 1,000. I can say 1,000 million, I can say 1,000 billion, I can say 1,000 crore, but every time I say million or billion, it might look very impressive, but every time I say million, 2 seconds are gone, so effect is 0. So I'm just going to say 1,000 because we'll save time. So you carry an inventory of 1,000, and then remember, we are in a market scenario where we are not in a position to dictate terms to the customer. हम कस्टमर को नहीं बोल सकते कि भाई साहब लेना है तो पहले एडवांस में पेमेंट दो, नहीं तो घर जाओ. Can we say that? No, we cannot. So today you have to give a credit to your customer. And let's say at any given point in time, you have receivables which are 400. Right? At any point in time, you have a receivables of 400. And then we also understand that if you and I have to run our operations smoothly, we need to also carry some cash in the bank balance, isn't it, everybody? Okay. And let's say that figure is 100. So this is how much? 1500. This 1500, friends, is your GWC. So this is your GWC. It means what? It means for running my operations smoothly, I need to invest 1500 in my working capital. So this is my gross working capital. This is my total working capital requirements. Now, as when I sell to my customer, I have to give the credit. Remember, likewise, when I buy from the vendors, I take credit from them. That means what? This 1000 of inventory which I am carrying, is it fully paid? No. Everybody? Is it fully paid?
No.
No, it's not fully paid. It is, part of it is paid, part of it has come on the credit. So, now what I do, let's say, out of this 1000 that I am carrying, 100 is on account of credit. So the difference that I have here is 1400. Now this is known as WCG, working capital gap. समझ के लीजिए इसका क्या मतलब है श्वेता? इसका ये मतलब है कि मुझे मेरे ऑपरेशंस को स्मूथली चलाने के लिए 1500 की कैपिटल लॉक करनी है, जरूरत है इन माय वर्किंग कैपिटल. अगेंस्ट दैट 100 रुपीज वर्थ ऑफ इन्वेंट्री आई एम एबल टू परचेज ऑन क्रेडिट. तो मेरी जेब से कितना जाने वाला है? कितना जाने वाला है? 1400. सो दैट इज द गैप. दैट मीन्स हाउ मच डू आई हैव टू अरेंज? डू आई हैव टू अरेंज 1500 or do I have to arrange 1400 now? 1400. That means this is the working capital gap. That means this is the amount that I need to arrange from my side. Now what do I do? What do I do? I have two choices. Choice number one, I put this money of 1400 from my pocket as equity. What is the problem? And please pay attention. What is the problem? The problem is, and all of us know it very well, my working capital requirements are not constant. Are they constant? No. They are fluctuating. Customer से payment आ गया, I don't need bank finance because मेरे पास पैसा है. Customer से पैसा नहीं आया, I will need to borrow. So my working capital requirements are fluctuating. अगर मैं ये equity करके डाल दूंगा, तो क्या होगा? I will, number one, please remember, equity is always expensive than debt, isn't it? And number two, please pay attention, क्या होगा? ये मैंने 1500 की equity लाके डाल दी working capital के लिए. अब क्या problem है? Problem ये है कि मुझे जरूरत नहीं है working capital की. तो ये पैसा मेरे पास में current account में पड़ा है. Am I earning interest on it? No. So this money is just lying with me, incurring a cost. Therefore, what do I do? And therefore, what the companies across the world will do, they will go to a bank. So you go to a bank and you tell the bank, look, I am so and so company, I have a working capital gap of 1400, please finance it for me. बैंक बोलेगी ठीक है, आप अच्छे हैं, आपकी कंपनी को मैं जानता हूँ, आपको मैं जानता हूँ, I am prepared to finance you. Now please tell me, all of you, will the bank give you 100% finance?
No.
The bank will not give you 100% finance. Please remember, there was one bank that will lend you 100% finance, and that bank was Lehman Brothers, and it does not exist anymore.
जो बंद हो गई.
बंद हो गई वो. तो पूरी दुनिया में कोई बैंक आपको 100% फाइनेंस नहीं देगा. बैंक will give you 70%, 75%. Right? So the bank will say, all right, we will give you 75% of your requirement. That means we will give you how much? 1050. And the balance, this 350 that you get here, this is known as NWC, Net Working Capital. ये पैसा कहाँ से आएगा? ये पैसा कहाँ से आएगा? कंपनी से, equity से, right? So NWC is the money that you have to put from your pocket. That means it has to come from by way of equity, not against debt also, because the bank will not like. Bank will like that NWC must be funded by you from your own capital. Very good. ये सारा बढ़िया चल रहा है अभी. अब बैंक आपको इंटरेस्ट चार्ज कर रही है एट द रेट ऑफ 10%. तो कितना इंटरेस्ट हो जाएगा? हाउ मच इंटरेस्ट विल यू पे? 105. वेरी गुड. 105. फैंटास्टिक. नाउ जब हम लोग सब ये डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, तो जो प्राइवेट इक्विटी फंड है जो कि आपकी कंपनी में जिससे आपकी बात चल रही है, सडनली ही वॉक्स इनसाइड द रूम एंड ही लुक्स एट योर नंबर्स, और वो आपको बोलता है कि आर दीज द नंबर्स ऑफ योर कंपनीज वर्किंग कैपिटल मैनेजमेंट? एंड यू प्राउडली से यस, दीज आर द नंबर्स ऑफ माय कंपनीज वर्किंग कैपिटल मैनेजमेंट. So the private equity fellow tells you, if these are the numbers of the working capital management of your company, then thank you so much, I am going away, I am not interested in your company. क्योंकि if this is the kind of working capital management that you are doing, then I better not take risk of investing my money into your company. तो आप उसको हाथ पकड़ के बोलो, भाई रुक रुक रुक, कहाँ जा रहे हैं? Where are you going? Wait, क्या प्रॉब्लम है? बोलता है कि नहीं, ये वर्किंग कैपिटल मैनेजमेंट मुझे एक्सेप्टेबल नहीं है. You have to improve your working capital management. And now you ask everybody here कि क्या करूं मैं ताकि मेरी कंपनी का वर्किंग कैपिटल मैनेजमेंट अच्छा हो. So all of you please tell me, what will you do? Reduce the inventory. Very good. Reduce the receivables. Very good.
Increase the creditors.
Increase the creditors. Very good. And reduce the interest, talk to your bank, ask for a lower rate of interest, and also try and reduce your cash and bank balance also, isn't it? Okay. So you are the CEO of the company, you are the owner of the company. तो आपने क्या किया? आपने जो मार्केटिंग हेड है, परचेज हेड है, प्लांट हेड है, प्रोक्योरमेंट हेड है, सबको बुलाया और बोला देखो भैया, मुझे 2 महीने के अंदर ये जो रिकमेंडेशन आई आप सभी की तरफ से, ये मुझे इम्प्लीमेंट करके दिखाओ. अगर ये 2 महीने के अंदर आपने इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं किया तो पी चला जाएगा, और पी चला गया तो उसके पीछे पीछे आप सब लोग भी चले जाओगे. Heads will roll. And remember, the moment there is a threat of heads rolling, then what happens? Then all these heads come together and start working. So now all these guys met together, they started working very aggressively, and within a period of 2 months, what they did complete analysis, executed strategy, whatever could be done, they did, and as a result of that, inventory came down to 600. So they went inside the store, found out that ये मटेरियल इतने साल से पड़ा है, क्या जरूरत है इसकी, इसको डिस्पोज करो, ये मटेरियल इसकी जरूरत नहीं है तो प्रोडक्ट ही बंद हो गया, क्यों कैरी कर रहे हैं उसको सब. So whatever the slow moving, non moving, unrequired inventory सबको डिस्पोज किया, और परचेजेस, फ्रेश परचेजेस को स्टॉप लगा दिए. बोले जब तक पुराना इन्वेंटरी खत्म नहीं होता है, कुछ भी नया लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. See, this is what happens unless you apply pressure. Things don't work sometimes. Sometimes you have to apply pressure. 600 का आ गया. मार्केटिंग वाले ने पूरा पूरा एक्शन मिलाया, तो उसकी वजह से रिसीवर्स केम डाउन टू 250. कैश एंड बैंक बैलेंस दुनिया भर में जितनी 25 जगह पे अकाउंट थे कंपनी के, सब जगह पे करंट अकाउंट में पैसा पड़ा है, जगह जगह करंट अकाउंट में पैसा पड़ा है, और कॉर्पोरेट ऑफिस बैंक से लोन लेके काम कर रहा है. सो इमीडिएटली ऑल दोज अकाउंट्स वर क्लोज, everything was centralized, online, all that. As a result of that, the bank balance was brought down to 50. How much it is?
700.
900. Right? 900. So 900 is your new gross working capital. And then this is your trade payable or creditors. So now the purchase department, they also started acting, and they talked to the supplier and told the supplier, look, we will definitely give you so much order every month, and we will also ensure that we will pay you on time, but we want longer credit period. And remember, what does a vendor want? Vendor needs only 2 things from you. Number 1, assured intake, and number 2, payment on time. So the vendors also agreed. As a result of this, this amount was increased to 300. So what is your working capital gap now? 600. Your working capital gap is how much now? 600. And what is your bank finance now? 450. What is your NWC? 150. And what is your interest cost now? 45. Now friends, this is your analysis of working capital management. This is your efficient management of working capital. Now please, is it on? Okay, let it be. Now this is your working capital management. Now please understand, I am not saying that every time someone is trying to implement tight working capital management, results will be this astounding. But I can definitely tell you, anybody who works with determined efforts on improving the working capital management, the results will definitely improve. There is no question about it. So when you are doing the evaluation, look at the numbers accordingly. Now I have 2 questions from all of you. Dhananjay, now please tell me, from the numbers that you see on the screen, what are the 2 major benefits that you are seeing? All of you. Rishikesh, what are the 2 benefits that you see very clearly of the tightening of the working capital? Yes, sir.
As the inventory has been reduced, that means my sales are growing.
Your sales are growing. Okay, very good. Yes, of course, very nice, very good. Yep. Okay, very good.
My
Shweta?
net equity in the company has reduced.
My equity in the company has reduced. Yes, of course. Very good. What else? Interest cost has gone down, obviously, because you can see very clearly. Earlier I was paying an interest of 105. Now I am paying interest of 45. That means 60 of interest I am saving. Very good. What else? Equity has gone down, so your money locked up into the company has gone down. What else? Storage cost has gone down. Yes, of course. What else? Debt has gone down. Of course. What else?
Effective utilization of working capital.
Effective utilization of working capital is happening. What else? As well as inventory. Yes, of course. What else? What other? Yeah. Customers are paying you on time, so the risk of the bad debt has gone down. Cost on administration of the receivables has gone down. Cost of storing the material has gone down. Cost of procuring the material has gone down. Interest cost has gone down. And more than that, please remember the another major advantage. Earlier, how much money of yours was locked up into the NWC? And how much it is locked up now? So that means how much cash is available in your hand? 200. So because of tightening of the working capital management, straight away you are getting a benefit of 200 lakhs of cash in your hand. And remember, you can do wonders with this 200 of cash which is available with you. सबसे पहले तो आप क्या कर सकते हो? आपकी डेट को कम कर सकते हो, एक्सपेंशन कर सकते हो, डाइवर्सिफिकेशन कर सकते हो, एक्विजिशन कर सकते हो, R&D कर सकते हो, मॉडर्नाइजेशन कर सकते हो. So all that you can do. And this, my friends, is your working capital management efficiency and the working capital analysis. In case if you have any question, please ask me. Else, I think it is very good time for all of us to take a tea break, right?